know someone's coming, we need to hold our depth. In this instance, what kind of defence are they?
Bit of a tough start, you know, and we had sort of like 4 weeks together in December, and it's nice now to have our first home game. We're training out the Park Scarlets, so it's great for the girls to have that familiarity, and hopefully we can go out and put a big performance in.
It's been tough, but really enjoyable. The girls are brilliant here. They want to give 100%, and the results will come, and the performances are getting better, so I'm excited for the challenge.
The facilities here are outstanding, between the barn, the pitches at the top, the gym. I don't think the girls are used to a lot of that, so it's nice for them to have something which they can call home, really, and everyone turns up.
Can't wait to play in Park Scarlets. We played there with Wales before, and it's only 5 minutes around the corner from my home, so it's a hometown, so I'm really excited to get back on the field.
I think the women's game in Welsh rugby is going to look back at this and think how good it was to have regular rugby. Like I said, now, you know, you've got 5 or 6 internationals with us, played a handful of games.
This Celtic Challenge is exactly what we need for the women's programme, to bring through young players, young talented players, and it's exciting because we, as senior players, get that challenge then and competition throughout the squad.
So for them, this is invaluable, and like they're only going to get better and better, and hopefully the growth in Wales just keeps going.
They're a young group of girls, so they're still developing, like they want to pursue to the Welsh career as well, so they're developing, and they're just a great bunch to be around, to be honest. There's some great talent coming through, so I'm really excited for that. They're a great outfit, to be honest. They've got some Scottish internationals. Mo's 13, so she's really good. So, you know, we just want to go out there, enjoy what we do, but also put a performance in and back each other 100%.
We hopefully we can turn up this week, turn a bit of a corner, and like I said, the first game at home, and all the girls are from down this way, so there'll be hopefully a few parents and family and friends turning up, and we can fill the stadium out a little bit.
You know, it's a day out. Come and support us. We're a new team, exciting, wanting to play exciting rugby, so come down and support us.